Mr. Bird,
a little slow, man.
you on camera now. You just now did the event up here at Richard Steele, and you was telling me something interesting. You said you and Richard Steele go back to the Marine Corps. We all was on a fight team.
Yeah, we went all the way back to the United States Marine Corps, fought on the same team. Had another famous guy on that team by the name of Norton, who went on to become heavyweight champion of the world. It was a good team.
Three of y'all on the same team in the Marines.
Absolutely.
And look at y'all career. Norton, champion. Robert Bird got to go. This is live, y'all. Now, at the time, did you realize that y'all was that talented when y'all was together?
I don't think any of us knew what the future held for us. We were just having fun and trying to be the best that we could be, which is sort of the model, okay, for the Marine Corps. The few, the proud, the Marines.
Right. And how did you get involved in refereeing?
It's a long story, but basically, Richard, who was the referee at the time, had started the referee, and he'd asked me to come down and help him do an amateur show. And it was with the young kids. And I went in there and I did a bout with the young kids. And it was so funny because the gloves are almost as big as they are, and it's so honest. It was just so honest watching these little kids, you know, out there competing, and I fell in love with it. Been doing it ever since.
And went on to have a Hall of Fame career, and I'm proud of you.
Appreciate it.
Really, I'm proud of you.
I appreciate
you
that.
my friend. I'm glad to call you my friend. So
I appreciate
keep
that.
doing a great job.
Thank you.
All right, then. Mr. Robert Bird.
All right. Take care, man.
All right.